Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's episode, I want to highlight a perfect example of marketing yourself through LinkedIn, right? So, LinkedIn is the number one marketing tool for professionals. And if you want to land that first job in cybersecurity, you definitely need to be using this, right? So, I came across this profile, Antoine Matthews. The first thing I noticed is his headshot, nice professional headshot, and he has this blue border around it, which really just stood out to me. So, when you can be scrolling on your timeline and you see a bunch of headshots and then you see some color right here and you're not used to seeing it, it just kind of makes you take a double look at the profile. Then I go to his banner and he has all his certification banners here. And it's just a really nice touch, just a little bit of validation that he has, been doing the work and getting some certifications. Then you go to his header here. He's calls himself a cybersecurity analyst. He's certified in AWS solutions architect, cloud practitioner. He has Security Plus, PenTest Plus, and the U.S. Navy vet. These are huge because as recruiters and we're searching on these certifications, if I'm looking for somebody who has Security Plus or PenTest Plus, then he would definitely populate in my search. Then he has a nice, clear and concise about me section. He's just 3 little paragraphs, and he talks about being a technical sales professional who specializes in information security, compliance, and cloud security. So that looks good. And then you go to his feature tab, and he has all his certifications featured here. I think that's a really nice touch. And as a recruiter, I think this kind of validates who Antoine Matthews is. And then you look into his activity. This guy is actively using LinkedIn. He's commenting, and then you see on the comment he has that blue background, and his comment pops out more than Jessley's here does, just because of the blue ring. And he's really using this tool to the best of his abilities. He's commenting on other people's posts. He's posting. He's very active, and that is all it takes to get some eyes on you here, to get your first break in cybersecurity. So I'm really impressed with this profile. And then if I'm just doing a quick search on PenTest Plus, people that have the PenTest Plus certification in the San Diego metro area, in this search, I'm looking at profile pictures, and this one pops up, and that blue circle right there just really, really stands out to me. He has all his certifications here, and he just really, really stands out. If I had a PenTest Plus type of role, I would definitely be reaching out to Antoine here. But and he also, he populates within the top 7 people for this qualification, and all because he's using those buzzwords, and he is doing the work, marketing himself the right way for LinkedIn. So if you're not using LinkedIn and leveraging that as the best marketing tool, free tool out there, you need to get on it. It's how I got my first break. How many of us do? It's the best networking marketing tool. So get out there, get after it. If you got any questions for me, feel free to reach out. My information is in the description below. Thanks.